Hey there, hope you all are doing good. Firstly, I want to say thank you so much for supporting me. I know my channel has grown a bit, and that's all because of you. Secondly, I would like to say that English is not just a language, it's a part of personality, and hope you hold this. Thirdly, hey, why don't we stop using firstly, secondly, thirdly, lastly? Today I'm going to teach you some words which are the alternatives of them, which replace them but in a finer form. Are you ready to learn them? Okay, zoom towards the board. Firstly, what is the alternative or the replacement of firstly? Stop using firstly and use to commence with. To commence with. Secondly, besides. Thirdly, moreover. And lastly, in conclusion. This was it for today. Very short, very precise video. I need to go somewhere. So, Kata Rush. See you next time. Bye bye.